Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade Halloween decoration. I have this 3/4 inch thick extra piece of, it's like a particle board. I'm going to draw it out. We're going to cut it out. They're going to design, paint it, and then we'll urethane over it. And it'll be a Halloween decoration this year. Just got to add the arms here, getting close. Here is the design we landed on. This is the mummy. So I'm now going to cut out the outline. All right, not bad at all. I had no breakage. Everything cut nice and easy. Okay, I just did some starter holes with my drill. Now gonna cut this out with my jigsaw. Okay, that was a good decision. That really helped make this thing look just like I wanted it for the kids. All right, next step then is they are going to paint it, and after they're done painting, I will urethane it, and then we'll add it to our Halloween collection. We have started the painting process. They're gonna do the little hanging, what are those called again, kids?
Toilet paper.
The little hanging toilet papers are gonna be pink, and everything else will have a white base, and we're gonna continue to color those lines after the white dries. Y'all having fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, our mummy is now dry. We used some exterior paint, so this is going to last for a long time. Next, the kids are going to draw the lines of the bandages on the mummy and put in those fine details. Okay, kids have finished their lines. Looking good. Looking good. All right, let's hang it up outside.
This mummy is Jack Skellington's cousin.
Is that why they're standing next to each other?
Yeah.
All right. Love it. What was your favorite part about this project?
Probably doing the lines because then doing the lines because then it's like all done and we don't have to wait for drying or anything.
Awesome. Okay, well, good work.
His feet.